Jagan sir.
One. I'll connect my. Okay. Yes, you can unmute and speak.
A lot of problem has come up. This is not getting from DNS itself.
One minute. My what's still not connected. 1 minute, please. Now you can speak. I can hear.
Jagan sir, what I said is, there's my mistake. Actually, I was busy yesterday somewhere. We had a meeting. I got stuck over there. I missed it. So now I was trying for 1 hour. It is not getting through.
See, sir, this workshop is made in this way for a reason. Okay, the first day exercise we have to do and have to wait for 3-4 hours. Only then the IP address will update to the entire world. Now if you update, you have to wait for 1 hour. Okay, go to LMF access page, and there in the day 1, there is a tool called 7th button. Okay, DNS propagation checker tool. Okay, click on that button and enter your domain name here. It should.
Which one, sir? Which one?
7th button in first day. 7th button.
4, 5, 6, 7 is 1.1, 3 minutes, right?
7th button is DNS propagation checker tool.
Yes, sir.
In the day 1. Okay. Yeah. Open that and give your domain name, and there it will say whether your IP address is propagated throughout the world. Okay, it will show a map here. Okay. You have to wait. Okay, until it propagates, you have to wait.
How do I check it, sir?
Sorry?
Can I check it?
Yeah, you can check it now. You know the AWS instance IP address what you created. Just put your domain name here and check what IP address is showing. If both matches, then you can go and install your SSL certificate. Okay.
Okay.
If anyone else have any questions, please unmute and speak. We'll start exactly at 7:02.
It is asking for a DNS list.
No. Example, can you see DNS check? In the DNS checker, there is a DNS check. Okay, below there is a example.com. Type your domain name there. Okay, I type LMF Workshop.live, and you have to select A here. Okay, select A and then search. It will show IP addresses in the list. When you search it, it will show the IP addresses in the list. Hostville, United States, Berkeley, US, all the places it will show. And these are all free tools. We have to wait to get the response. I got the IP address, see 43.204 plus 180. Okay. See, can you see the IP address here? All tick marks. You have to see all tick marks here.
Sir, I have the IP address also.
You have the IP address also?
Yes.
Is it the same IP address as your AWS instance? What you created in AWS?
Yes.
create static IP. Same address is there.
Yes, sir.
Then it will work. Then it will work. Just you
43.204.
Correct.
So now I go to
43.204 is my IP address.
Okay.
You have to go to your AWS instance.
Sir,
Okay,
mine is
there you will find
43.204.253.6.
Okay, that is yours. That is yours.
Yeah. Now after this, I take this and go to DNS, domain manager.
No. All work is completed. All work is completed. You have to go and install SSL certificate, but please wait 1-2 hours.
Okay. Okay. Fine, sir. I'll wait for and okay, done.
Anyone else have any questions? Please unmute and speak. We have 6 minutes. Okay, we'll start exactly at 7:02. Move further. No. If you did your first day exercise just now, if you completed, wait for 1 hour. Okay, usually see, I'm doing it daily. Usually I will not wait. Okay, I'll just go and check in that tool, DNS propagation tool. If the IP address is updated throughout the world, then I'll go do it instantly and it will work. Okay, just you don't know this, I ask you to do wait for 1 hour.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no, I'm not answering you. I'm answering Pallavi. Okay, she sent a message.
Okay.
That's why I added this tool, DNS propagation checker tool. And this tool will tell you the IP address in the entire world. Okay, it has this map. Okay, you see this map, right? There you will see what is the IP address. You just click there and you will see the IP address. Okay, you have to allow some time. Just because it is AWS and GoDaddy, it is updating soon. Okay, all other service providers, they will ask you to wait 48 hours. Okay, that is the standard time. Even GoDaddy will tell you the standard time, 48 hours. And to add the A records, if you find any problem, okay, even yesterday I faced problem. Okay, they keep on changing that. Okay, why they keep on changing that is they will not allow to add it. Okay, they want you to use their GoDaddy hosting service. Okay, so that they will purposefully make that tough. If you don't find it, just call GoDaddy customer support. Tell them I want to add 2 A records, 1 at and 1 star, and give them the IP address and they will add it. That's why we are paying to GoDaddy. GoDaddy service is somewhat priced higher than others because they have this excellent support. I don't know why it's a 200 Mbps connection, but still it's somewhat slow today. We'll start exactly at 7:02. There is no water today.
Can I speak?
Yes, we have 2 minutes.
On the map.
No, your voice is not audible. So it's my internet connection is unstable. It is saying like that. Oh, okay, okay. But there is someone who joined from Sandeep. Maybe it's a different person. I don't know. Okay, okay. Okay, I am not allowing to unmute you. Okay, we are going to start today's exercise in 30 seconds. Okay, suppose if my video paused or if my voice is not audible, please type in the.
Now, maybe.
आपका हो गया जगन जी? सॉरी दीपक जी।
हाँ हो गया सर, जितना अभी तक कराया डन नहीं।
मैं कल मेरा एक एजीएम मीट था उसमें अटक गया।
ओके
समय डीएनएस के आगे नहीं जाना।
Okay, can we start? Please type yes.
Yes sir, start.
Yes, okay, we'll start right now. Okay, I am not allowing to unmute you because if my voice is not audible, please type yes. Only then I'll know. Okay. Okay, I'll close this. Okay, today's goal is we are going to edit the lead magnet template. Okay, yesterday we installed this template, JAGANKRISH.com. Okay, you might be having this page. This page you have right now. Okay, we are going to edit this text. How to edit this text? We are going to do it, and we are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, what happens if someone enters their contact number and click on make payment now? Okay, we are going to edit this lead management. We are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, I opened the wrong website. Okay, LMF Workshop.live. We are going to set up the lead management system. Okay, if someone enters it and click on make payment now, right now it will not go. Okay, it shows an error message. We are going to set up this. Okay, this is the two things that we are going to do. Today it will take 40 minutes, 40 to 60 minutes. There will be no time for Q&A at the end. Today's session, it will seem overwhelming for non-technical people. Even if you don't understand, okay, I know, but now it's okay. If my voice is not audible, please tell me. Is it okay now? Yeah. Today's session is going to be overwhelming for non-technical people. If you don't understand the theory part, that's okay. When I do it practically live, you will find it easier. Okay. When I do it practically live, you will find it easier. Okay. I want to say this disclaimer. What we are going to do today, there is no tutorials elsewhere on the internet. Okay. Only I can teach what you can do this, because I did this template. Okay. Only I know how to teach this. Okay. Others can teach it, but they have to go to the code. Okay. It's difficult for them. Okay. I'm giving this disclaimer because you have to know you cannot search online and do today's exercise. You need today's recording. Okay. So please be attentive in today's class. Okay. There is no tutorials elsewhere. Can we start? Please type yes. What is a spec file? Okay. Whatever you see in this website is coming from one spec file. A spec is something we call it as specification. It is a specification. That is what I say as spec file. That spec file is just a simple text file. Okay, you can go ahead and download the file, open in Notepad and make changes. Okay, but we are not going to use the Notepad or inbuilt text editors. We are going to use the online text editors, online spec file editors. Okay, there are free tools. We are going to use the online spec file editors because it is safe to use the online tools. Whenever you do some mistake, it will instantly say that you are doing the mistake. Okay, but in the local Notepad, it will not be like that. Okay. Sorry. I'll put this in airplane mode. Okay. So we are going to use online spec editors. Okay. What is a spec file? I said why we are going to use online spec editors because it will instantly say that if you do any mistakes in the text file, it will instantly say that you are doing this wrong. Okay. And always have a backup copy of your spec file. Your spec file, I'll tell you how you can download from your website. Always you should have a backup copy of your spec file. Because suppose if you do something wrong in the spec file and upload it, the website will break. Okay, but if you have a backup copy of the previous version, you just can go to, you can just upload the previous version of the file and the website will start working again. Okay, always have a backup copy of your spec file. Okay. Now, I'm going to give a quick intro of spec. Okay. If you are a non-technical person, if you don't understand it, that's fine. Okay. When I do it practically, you will understand. Okay. I'm going to give a quick intro of the spec file. Okay. The spec file, in the spec file, if you download, it will have a lot of text. Okay. There it will follow a certain standard. Okay. There will be a property name in the first double quote, and there is a colon, and there is a value. Okay. If in the double quote, there will be a value. Okay. For example, site ready to index is the first property name. If you open the spec file, you will know this is the first property name. This is site ready to index property name, and no is a property value. Okay. You cannot change the property name. Okay. You cannot change site ready to index. You cannot change, you cannot do anything. Okay. If you do anything in this, the site will break. But you can change the property value. The value no. Site ready to index, the value is no. You can change it to yes or whatever value. Okay. So the property value is changeable. The property name is unchangeable. Okay. Just remember this. Now, inside the property value, you should not include double quote. Okay. No double quote. Okay. If you see that it starts with a double quote and ends with a double quote, you cannot put a double quote in between. Okay. Then the site will break. This is an important rule. No double quote in the middle of the property value. Okay. Always use online spec editors to make changes. There are plenty of spec editors. Okay. Even 100. I included links to top 2. Okay. So always use online spec editors because when you make some mistakes, even you put some double quote in between, it will instantly say that you are making this mistake. So there is no possibility of making a mistake. Okay. So always use online spec editors. Okay. Now I'm going to give quick introduction. Okay. The spec file have multiple sections. The site config section will have the properties. Site config has the colors, this background color, this button color, this color. Okay. All the colors, the heading, site heading, the app name, everything, this configuration thing will be in the site config. Okay. Site pop-up. Okay. When you click on this, you will see one pop-up, right? All this settings is there in the site pop-up. Okay. App details. We are going to have Android and iOS app, right? All these details, app details, the icon, the app name, all these are there in the app details. Okay. I'll let you know. I don't know why it's very slow. Okay. App details is there in the app details section. And you see there is multiple Am I audible? Am I audible? Please, I'll allow all to. Okay. Am I audible? I think I got disconnected. Okay. So in the section, okay, this is a section, okay, this is a section, and this is a section, this is a section. So how many sections are there? This website has 10 sections, okay. You will find 10 sections, okay, section underscore head, section underscore 1, section underscore 2. You will find 10 sections in the spec file, okay. And even if you don't know this, that's okay, okay, but know this. Inside the property value, inside the section, okay, here if you see after business, it without comes in the new line, okay. Inside the property value, if you put this tag, this is a tag. If it starts with this and ends with this is a tag. If you put this is break. If you put this, it will come in a new line, okay. And you see some content here comes in yellow. Okay, not yellow. Here some content comes in bold, okay. If you put strong and your content and the end tag strong, it will come in bold, okay. If you use this tag, it will come in italics. If you use U, it will come in underline, okay. Just know this. This comes in underline because I used U tag. Now you see some content comes in yellow, okay. These are all not inbuilt HTML tags. I created this for you so that you can easily color tag your content, okay. If you put green, it will come in green. If you put yellow, it will come in yellow. Yes. If you put red, it will come in red. And if you put highlight, it will come like this, highlight, okay. It will be highlighted. You can use this in all the sections, okay. Just know this. So today's exercise, what we are going to do, we are going to change the website color. We are going to change the website color. We are going to change this content. We are going to complete this head section, okay. And we are going to set up the lead management system. This is today's exercise. I'm going to do it live, okay. So this content we are going to create, okay. This sentence and this sentence. This is the formula of this sentence, okay. I help business owners, coaches, and consultants. You are going to write this for your industry, okay. I'll let you know the formula. I help people I serve. This is the people I serve. This is the target market. I help business owners with what product I have. I have one-page website and app to get how I help them with. How I help them with? I help them with my 5-day live workshop. Okay. Without what old product I replace? Without ClickFunnels and swipe pages. This is a old product I replace. You can literally write this sentence with for every product and every service in this world. Okay. You can write this sentence for every product and every service in this world. Okay. You are going to write this sentence today. Okay. I will write one or two sample sentences for you, but you are going to write this sentence and update the website. Okay. I repeat again, the goal is to complete by tomorrow, not within today. So you know how the support works. If you are stuck, you can just record a video and send in WhatsApp and I'll just reply. Okay. We are going to do it live. Okay. That's all. I'll share my screen right now. Okay, type yes if we can start. Okay. There is no day 3 yet. 1 minute. Go to your LMF Access page. You will see day 3 now. Okay. Okay. This is what I am going to do. How to make changes to the spec file using online spec editor. Okay. Go to your WordPress admin. Okay. Go to your WordPress admin. Okay. Go to theme settings. Go to theme settings. Click here. Open leads management page. Click here. Okay. Now, if you click download, it will. If you click download, it will download your default spec file. Okay. This is the default spec file. Okay. You have to save this file. Save this file. Okay. I'll save this file. Okay. And come to the LMF spec page. You will see two online spec editors, 3.2, 3.2. Okay. These two does the same work, and that's why I mentioned same number here. Okay. I request you to use this tool, second button, green button, because in the last seminar, in the last class, someone had problem with this tool. So I request you to use this. Okay. Now, copy this. This is the default spec file. Copy this and paste this. Okay. Now, I want you to come to site config. Okay. If you don't, not site config. Yeah. Yes, site underscore config. If you come to site config, you will see site primary color. Okay. This is the color of your website, primary color. Okay. This color, LMF Workshop.live. This color. Okay. Here you see that this color. Okay. I want you to change this to some other color. But what are all the colors you can use? How you can find it? Go to LMF Secure Access page. In 3.3, you see HTML color names documentation. Click this. Okay. This is the documentation for HTML colors. You see colors here. Okay. These are all the colors that you can use. These are all the color names. Okay. These are all the color names. I want you to use some other color. Don't use cornflower blue because that is I already used. Okay. I want you to use some other color. Okay. I'll use what color is? I use this color, fire brick. Okay. This is the HTML standard. So I use this color. I click on copy. I'll come to this place. I'll come to the spec editor and I'll change this fire brick. You can change here or you can change here. Okay. Both are same. Here it is just, you can see it properly. Okay. See here site config. I opened it. In site config, the site primary color, I changed this to fire brick. Okay. Now you see a download option here. Click on download. It will download the file called online JSON editor.json. .json, it will download as .json. Okay. Use this button. Now come back to your theme settings. Click on open leads management. Click on choose file. Click on the file that we just downloaded. Click on open. Click on upload spec file. Now click on open website. You see the color that I changed just got updated. Type yes if you can see it. Type yes. Can you see this color? It got changed. Yeah. Now I'm going to change this content. Okay. I'm going to change this content. But this content has that, you need to follow that formula. Okay. So I'm going to let you know how to write that sentence. Okay. This is the formula I shared. Okay. So please type your industry. I'll write one sentence for your industry. Please type your industry. Which industry are you in? Or someone please type your industry. Okay, I saw that someone created a website for a hospital. Please type your hospital name. Okay, tuition. What is your tuition class name? Okay, first I'll write for one for hospital. Okay, I help people I serve. Okay, the hospital name, Prashant Hospital helps people I serve, senior citizens. This is the people Prashant Hospital serves. Okay, I'll let you know why I chose senior citizens. Okay, with Prashant Hospital helps senior citizens with what product service I have. I help Prashant Hospital helps senior citizens with to what product service I have to reduce diabetes in 30 days. Okay, this is the product Prashant Hospital has. Okay, reduce diabetes in 30 days. To get how I help them with. Without, okay, just I'll write without. Prashant Hospital helps senior citizens to reduce diabetes in 30 days without diabetic pills. Using quantum anti-diabetic technology. Okay. Okay. See, this sentence follows this formula. Okay, I just used without before. Okay, because that makes sense. Okay, you can just jumble this sentence, but you should exactly follow this formula. Okay, you just read this now. Prashant Hospital helps senior citizens to reduce diabetes in 30 days without diabetic pills using quantum anti-diabetic technology. I'll let you know why I chose senior citizens. Prashant Hospital helps all people right from age 0 to age 100. Why I choose senior citizens? Because the more specific that you go, you will get more results. Okay, it's not that you target all, you will get results. Okay, you have to go more specific. Okay, and this Prashant Hospital helps senior citizens. Why senior citizens? Senior citizens can come to the hospital again and again. Okay, so that is a good way of targeting people. Okay, so that's why I chose senior citizens to reduce diabetes in 30 days. Again, here I'm going too much specific. Senior citizens have many problems. Again, go specific. Okay, reduce diabetes in 30 days. Okay, this is how I help them with without diabetic pills. What product I have without sentence. What old product I replace? They are replacing the diabetic pills. And how they help them with the quantum anti-diabetic technology. Okay, I want you to write something unique. Okay, the purpose of having this quantum anti-diabetic technology is you can write anything. Okay, anti-diabetic technique, something. Okay, but this should be new to people. Okay, okay, I'll write one more sentence. Gupta classes. Gupta classes helps. Who is your target market? I don't know, but I'll just write college students to get 100% placement in 15 days. Okay, without studying too much. No, this is too general. Okay, here you have to specific. Without spending too much, using our miracle mind technique. Miracle mind formula technique, you can use anything. Okay, you got it right. I follow this. I have a new technology, miracle mind formula, and Gupta have classes helps college students. This is, you have to, what is your target market? Okay, college students, to get what they get, how you help them with 100% placement in 15 days without spending too much on books. Okay, the more specific you go, the more results you get. Okay, now I got the sentence. Now I'm going to edit this. I'm going to update in the website. Okay, okay. I go to spec editor tool 2. Where I did already. Yeah, here. Now come here, find out. Okay, you can find here also. Okay, in the section head, you see section title, you see section subtitle. I want you to put that sentence, Gupta classes. Okay, put this sentence in section subtitle and the section title. Replace in both places. You need to replace in both places. Okay, now come here. If you press this icon, it will come here also. Now click on download. It will download, open online, this one it will download. Now go to your team settings, go to your lead management, choose the file that you just downloaded. Okay, this one. Okay, click on open, click on upload. Now open website. Can you see? Okay, site test, you can see the updates. Gupta classes helps college students to get 100% placement in 15 days without spending too much on books using our miracle mind formula. Okay, it will get updated in both places. Once you do this, today's exercise is complete. You need to take a screenshot of this and send it to the WhatsApp group. Okay, I need to see a new color here. And I need to see the sentence here and here. Once you do it, today's exercise is complete. Okay, I'll let you know how. See, this is the exercise you are going to do. You are going to rewrite the sentence for your industry. Okay, and change this sentence in two places, in the section head, section title, and section subtitle. You have to change. And in 3.6.2, you are going to change the site primary color to something else. Okay, you get this from the documentation. Change it and go to theme settings, go to leads management page, upload the spec file, and then open the website, take a screenshot and send it. Okay, this is today's exercise. Okay, if you find it easy, just type easy. Whether you can do it, plus just type easy. Now I want to see at least one or two. Okay, now we are going to set up the inbuilt lead management system. Okay, we are going to set up the inbuilt lead management system. I'll close all. Now in the LMF Workshop.live, if I click here and click on make payment now, it shows this error message. Okay, something went wrong because the lead management system is not set up. How to set up is, in the WordPress admin, go to plugins, go to installed plugins. I have the list empty. Okay, but you will have 10 plugins. You will have 10 plugins. I want you to delete all the plugins that you have. You click here and click on delete. It will delete all the plugins. Okay. First delete all the plugins. We don't need even a single plugin. A plugin will slow down your website. Okay. Delete all the plugins first. Then click on add new. Okay. Come here. Type WooCommerce. Okay. This is the plugin we need. Okay. WooCommerce is the plugin we need. Okay. Click on install now. I will send this in the chat box so that you will know. You see that is installed. The activate button will come. Okay. Click on activate. Now WooCommerce is installed. Okay. In this plugin, in this install plugins, you have to see only WooCommerce. Now you will see something called products. After installing WooCommerce, you will see something called products. Okay. Click on all products. We have to add a product. We have to add a product. Only then we can sell. Okay. I already have a product, but you will find this list empty. Okay. Click on add new. Type a product name. LMF batch 2. Here, click on virtual, click on 999, and here just 499. This is just for sample. Okay. Click on publish. Now, if you go to all products, you will find the product that we created, LMF batch 2. Here you will find on ID. Okay. This ID you have to update in the spec file. Okay. I'll copy this 72. I'll go to the spec file. Go to theme settings, open leads management page. If you click on download spec file, it will always have your updated file. Okay. If you go to section head, you will see. I'm helping people right now. No, this is not coming. Okay. This becomes like this. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Just copy this. Go to spec file editor. Go to spec file editor. Paste this. Okay. Now come to site config. Come to site config. Here you see product ID spelling. Okay. Here 23, change it to 70. What is the product? 72, right? 72. What is that? 72. Okay. Now, if I click this, it will update here also. You can see it going to 72. Our changes are here. Firebreak is here. The site config section, all our changes will be here. Gupta classes. Okay. I click on download. It got downloaded. Now I go to leads management. I'll choose the file that we just changed. Click on open. Click on upload. Now click on open website. Okay. Now I enter the number. I click on make payment. You will see, thank you, we received your number. Okay. Now the lead management system is set up. Okay. Again, I'll send one more number. This is a dummy number, 999 888 7777. Okay. Click on make payment now. We received it. Okay. Now, if you go to leads management, click on refresh. You see, I got 2 leads. Okay. It is showing us Mumbai. Okay. Sometimes this can happen because it takes from IP address. You see the first number I submitted, it came here. And the second number I submitted, 999, it came here. If you click on send to WhatsApp, it will automatically open WhatsApp and sends the message. Okay. I'll show you. You see that number that I just gave, it opened here. Okay, I can send messages right now. And this is a wrong number. I am not going to send. If you go here, if you go to leads management, click on show copy data, you will find 3 messages. Okay. You just copy this and click on send to WhatsApp. It will open WhatsApp and you can just send that message instantly. Okay. How you will edit this message? It is there in the specs file. If you go to the specs file, in the leads management, you see WhatsApp message 1, WhatsApp message 2, WhatsApp message 3. Okay, this is the message that is going when you send it. Okay, that's all. Today we have completed the exercises. Okay, so I'll stop screen sharing now. Okay, last time it took me 1 hour to do this, but this time I did it in 40 minutes. Okay, we become better and better. Okay, today's exercise, is it easy? Can you do it? Is it simple? See, why I do this on Friday. Okay, this session happens on Friday for a reason, because even if a person with no technical knowledge attended on a day, all the exercise he can do in the tomorrow. Okay, if he just spends 3 hours, all the exercises day 1, day 2, and day 3 he can complete in just 3 hours tomorrow. Okay, so that is the just try, sir. You have the recording and it is here. Okay, if as a non-technical person, if you find it tough, give it take help from some other technical person. Okay, it's just simple. Okay, if you didn't do the exercise on day 1 and day 2, that's why it seems overwhelming. If you have that, it will be easy. And tomorrow you have the whole time. Okay, Saturday anyway most people will be free. You will have more time and you will have the time to complete. Okay, right now I'm available for 20 minutes. You can ask any questions that you want. I can answer. Please unmute and speak.
Jagan sir, how
Yes.
do I should I after getting that ID, DNS ID, now I go back once just in step by step you tell me, I write it down, I'll do it again.
No, I didn't get the question. 1 minute, please don't speak. I'll stop the recording because we don't